Hi, I'm Adam Layton, the owner of APL Performance Bikes, and I dream in steel, and Hare and Forbes machinery make my dreams become real. Every day we rely on the precision of the mill, the lathe, the MeasureMax measuring equipment. Quite often you'll find me down the back on the HAFCO mill, machining all my parts, making intricate pieces for all my choppers and race bikes. It's peace and quiet. I love working on my mill. The lathe we use every day, we could be refitting a part, we could be making a whole new hub or something stronger, something that we need for racing, or building one of our ultimate custom motorcycles. What's important to me when it comes to using my press is the rigidity and confidence in the gauges, the nice strong bed, then I can accurately press my parts. Out at the track on race day, we use MeasureMax to measure all our shims, our motor parts, and that helps me do the record runs. The machines in this place bring my vision to reality.